Hello friends, welcome back. Now in this lecture onwards, we are going to learn about CSS. Okay, so this is the website we have already built. Now we will be doing some CSS work with this website. So this is the reference website that we will be building. Okay, so it is exactly the same website what we have built till now, just that it's looking different. So CSS is about looks. So it is about styling the website. So we will be styling the website so that it looks like this. Okay. So we will open the same program that we were working on and we will start writing our CSS codes on this HTML page itself. Okay. So there are many ways we can write CSS codes. Advanced level programmers, what they do, they actually create a separate sheet. The way we have created .html sheet, a CSS sheet is created which has .css as extension, and then it is linked to the HTML sheet through some code, and finally all the CSS effects you can see on the website. Okay, so that is one of the way you can do it, but that becomes a bit complex when we are starting to learn about CSS. Okay, so we will go with a very simple way. The way I use CSS, we will just go ahead with that. Okay, so CSS stands for cascading style sheets. It's a style sheet, and why it is known as cascading, that we will learn later in this course. So we will start with our CSS section. Now the very first thing in CSS is we have to use a specific area to write all our CSS codes. Okay, so that can be used here at the start of the body tag. Okay, or we can use inside the head tag. So we will be writing our CSS codes in this sheet itself, and this sheet is already very big, so it will become further bigger if we write the CSS codes in this sheet. So we have to find out a section where we will write all our CSS codes. Okay, so what we will do, we will write it inside this body tag. Okay, and at the start of the body tag. So we will give some space here, and here we will write the CSS codes. How will browser come to know that it is a styling or a CSS code? For that we have to define a separate tag. We have to define a tag of style. So this tag we have created. Okay, and inside this tag we will write all our CSS programs. The very first thing that you can see, the change from this website, is the background of this website. So we will go here and we will write our very first code. So background is changed for the complete body. So we will select here body. So this is the selector. Here you can see we have to first select where we are making the change. Okay, we are making the change in the complete body, and then we have to use curly brackets. So here we will write what we are planning to change. We are planning to change the background color. You can see it is already giving you options, but we will write background dash color, COLOR. Okay, then we will put a colon, and it is giving you list of so many colors. So you can select any color from here, or you can find out on internet which color you want, and then you can use that color. Okay, if we go to this website is using steel blue color. So light steel blue if we use, and if we save here, and if we go to our website, you can see this website's color is changed. So this is how we change the background color. Okay, and after this we have to put a semicolon. It tells the browser that we have completed our statement, and then we will save it. And now if we go here, we can see the color of our website is completely changed. and it is same as this color. Okay, now we can write the color like this, light steel blue, and there are other ways also we can write the color. So I have opened this light steel blue color. Here there is a hex code. This is an HTML color name, light steel blue. Then we have a hex color code which is hash B0C4DE. So if we write this color code instead of light steel blue, and if we save it, it will still give the same result. Similarly, we have another way of writing it is RGB decimal. So here if we write this code, it will also give us the same color. Okay, so we will keep it as light steel blue. Okay, this is how we select colors and we change the background color of our HTML page. Okay, now let's discuss this statement once again. This is body, this is a selector. We are selecting where this change is supposed to happen. Okay, instead of body, if we change this selector, say we make it footer, okay, and we save it. Then if we go here, you can see the whole website is now changed, and only in footer we have this background color. So this selector plays a very important role where we want to do the change. So we want to change the body completely. That's why we are selecting body. Okay, again, if we change something, say for example, we put table and we save it. And if we go here, we can see the table has got the background color. So whatever you are selecting here, the background color of that selector is going to change only. Because the whole program is written in body, that's why the complete page is looking light steel blue color. I hope it is very much clear how we are going to write CSS statements. Okay, so see you in the next lecture.